Hello Kitty. So this one is Hello Kitty, new listening special style block building toy. So here we are, let's open it. This is a chain, the pink chain, the good one, and it is working well. Yes, very good. And so now here are the blocks. The block, the finishing is very good, and it is like signing, the signing block, and it is a Hello Kitty block. And yeah, I am so excited to join this block for all of you. So I am here, I am opening this block. Till then you should like this video and do subscribe the channel for more videos like this. That would be very thankful for me if you do so. It will just take your one click to subscribe this channel, and it will help me a lot. It will not only help me, but it will help this channel to grow fast. So please do like, share and subscribe. So first of all, I will assemble these two kitty over here on top of this, and then I will assemble the kitty kitchen set in front of this. You can hear the sound of this plastic. It is very well, very good. Let's join it. Okay, it is very small kitty, so let's place it on the other block, the blue one, the pink one. Okay, it is already made, so I will leave it like this only. And now I will place a kitty over here. Okay, let's do the same with this one also. Okay, let's do it. Here I have got the two pillars. I have placed those two pillars on the top of the block, and now I will place another block on top of it. Perfect. Okay, so let's join few other block also for decoration. Okay, that's good. Okay, no, this one is small. Let's take the other one. Perfect. This one is of the same size as it is. Okay, now let's see if I can join it like this or not. I guess no. It can be joined like this, but not like this. Okay, so leave it apart. So friends, I have another pillar ready with me. It have this pink one, the white one, and again the pink one. Okay, but color is mismatching. Let's match the color. So pink one on the pink one, cool. White one on the white one, and the violet one on the violet one. Perfect. Okay, this one is adjusted. This one is also fine. Now let's see for the other one. This one. This one. Oh no. This one. Okay, yeah, great. Blue, pink, pink, blue. Good one. And now I have this another block with me. Where to place? Where to place? Okay, I will keep it over here. Nice place. Yeah, so now they are arranged. Okay, the wind is blowing, so it is a windy day, so let's arrange it. Fine. Okay, any other to place? Okay, let's place it here. No, it is a pink color. Let's take another color block. So yeah, violet is here, and again I have white one too, so I can place the white one over here. Fine. Okay, so the design is well maintained, and yeah, the kitty set is ready. So in future, when I will get the option to link my website on this video, I will surely do. And after that, you will be able to purchase this product from my website. So till then, enjoy another video from my channel, and please do like, share and subscribe, and do comment if you wish to see any design or anything, or any specific toy. Yeah, any specific toy. I would love to bring a review of that toy for you, and yeah, I will try for that. Oh no. Okay, let's fix it. Done. Thank you. Till then, tada, bye bye, see you.